I'm so excited, you guys, because finally Good Face Stuff, which is my brand, has finally launched just Tuesday our amazing Lustre highlighter multicolored pigments with skincare ingredients in it, most notably hyaluronic acid and oil-soluble vitamin C. So you're actually treating your skin as you wear a nice natural look. It's buildable. You could build it up to make more of a strobing effect. Yes, look. I just want to make the type of makeup that I want to use that actually has ingredients in it that are treating my skin as I have it on. And something that's just minimal, you know, I can highlight certain areas. Doesn't take a lot of steps. It's just easy. I can carry it around with me easily. You know, I can use it in multiple ways. So we've got 5 different colors I'm going to share with you guys. This is what I do. I just have a little bit of the shimmers around here. I don't like to cake on foundation. This is something you just throw in your purse and just put a little bit here and there to highlight your features. Day-to-day makeup. You can use this just as like a end highlighter on different spots. Comes with this cute little package, you guys. A silky box, all recycled packaging, sturdy, compact with a mirror inside. So I'm wearing right now our Liquid Love corally pink tempting apricot glimmer peachy gold glow that I think is really beautiful. A lot of different skin tones. Yeah, I'm also wearing rosé, an alluring golden neutral rosy glow, one of my favorites. Medium tones, you could use it as a bronzer for lighter skin tones. You can go sheer and you can build it up. It's a nice creamy formula. It smells amazing, sort of vanilla, rosemary. And this is Satin Sheets, a luscious pale pink with silken pearly glow. For the brow bone, for cheeks, a little bit of Cupid's bow. Ooh, look at that. Blam! A little bit of the Satin Sheets to make it a little bit stroby. Zzz, bling, electric. We have Edge, which is a nice kind of bronzer. A seductive, rich, sun-kissed bronze glow. Great for highlighter on darker skin tones or a bronzer on lighter skin tones. I also put Edge right under my cheekbone right here. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. And then we have a darker edge, that's what it's called. A sensuous, deeper, chocolatey bronze glow. A great contouring, great for eyes. And this is what they look like with a little more light on them. I love them! Yay! Our source of these micas have ensured that they're not from mines that use child labor and are supporting the made in the free world. And most of these mines are in India. And in India, the industry is steps away from preventing child labor. Our source of mica makes sure with the paper trail that they have the regulations for REACH, which is the regulation of the European Union, adopted to improve the protection of human health and the environmental risks that can be posed by chemicals, and also under the regulations of the FDA. No animal testing with our source. They're all vegan and gluten-free. I don't know why there'd be gluten in there, but it's all gluten-free. You know, you can really go sheer and natural just a little bit, or you could build it up more like I've done here, kind of more of a strobing effect. I'm sure you could build it up even more. You could use a brush, you can use your fingers. So many ways to use it. If you are going to use it on your eye, we have gotten the feedback that on the eyelids, you might want to use a primer. I have it on more sheerly, so it's not really creasing, but if you're putting more of it on, you might want to use a primer, and that might help. Mostly people will use these as a highlighter, and that is my favorite type of makeup. Just a little bit of, you know, contouring, that sort of beautiful lit from within look, you know, see? I really love how this Liquid Love, corally, beautiful shimmer, and then a little bit of that edge, that contouring bronze look. I just love these, you guys, and I invite you to go check out at goodfacestuff.com, which is my brand. I love the smell. Sort of vanilla-y. And right now, if you're ordering any of our skincare, we are including samples of all 5 lustres. So you can kind of check out which shade might go well with your skin tone and get a sense of the product. And we're going to be coming out with new shades, so if you have any requests, please let us know. We have a few shades in the works, but if there's something you guys are interested in particular, please do tell in the comments. So head over to goodfacestuff.com. You can check us out on Instagram, goodfacestuff, @goodfacestuff. I'm really proud of the pictures and the models we used. Thanks guys for helping me with this. I really appreciate you all. I just love the idea of wearing something that's going to be treating my skin. Right around here, I tend to have a little bit of melasma that wants to peek out every once in a while. So I love having the oil-soluble vitamin C Tetrahexyldecyl ascorbate in these, which I apply to my face every day with our LUX Nourishing Beauty Oil. But I love that with this highlighter, I can apply it on my cheeks right where that tends to happen. You know, the higher areas of your face that gets a little bit more sun tend to get a little bit more melasma. And I find just a little bit on the last little bits of melasma really helps bend the light so that you're not seeing that darkening of the skin. Beautiful, natural, radiant look. A liquid love. Liquid love rosé. Just dab a little bit on my eyelid. And on my cheek. Sometimes I blur a little bit under my eye and get a little overboard. A little all over. Little on shoulder knob. You could go subtle like this, just along the cheek. Or you go over the eye like this. You go along the center of the nose a bit, along the Cupid's bow. This over the eye. Just liquid love. And I'm going to put rosé, darlings. A little along here. I'm going to take a little bit of the edge and put it under my cheek for a little bit of edging, if you will. A little extra definition for the cheek. A little under the jawline. And I'm going to do a little bit in the crease of my eyelid. Liquid love right in there. And then my favorite mascara from 100% Pure in black tea. And just a little on the eyelid. Thank you guys so much for celebrating and for waiting for this to come out. I know it was really hard to keep a secret for so long. Yay! Thank you guys for all your support. Hope you have a wonderful day. What do you guys think of my... We got satin sheets with because finally, and hey guys, it's Lita Lum here, and our supporter, and all the